Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Minds and you're watching Cooking with Minds. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe now and click the bell button to notify you for new videos. Join me in this video and let's have a crunchy roasted pork belly. Make sure the meat or the pork is boneless. So in this case, let's take out the bones first. Start slicing on the meat part so that there's room for all the spices. Lay the pork belly on a flat surface, pork skin facing down, pour some vinegar. This is to help dry out the skin, and the secondary purpose is to remove the odor. Let's poke it, and plenty of holes the better. Rub the salt, and it must be distributed evenly to dehydrate the pork. So leave for about 10 minutes. Let's use the kitchen towel to absorb the moist. Add pepper on the pork belly. Leave it for about 15 minutes. Arrange the garlic, onion slices, scallions, lemongrass on the belly. Add these spices, then roll all the way to the opposite side until a spiral shape is formed. I tried to squeeze them to incorporate all the ingredients into the meat. Include some spices, so I've added parsley and basil. It will absorb deeply into the meat. Secure the rolled pork belly by tying it with a kitchen twine. Then place the pork belly. And this time, we didn't use the fan since we're after to get a crisp, crackling pork belly. A searing hot oven to start is the best way to attain our goal of crispy and perfect roasted pork belly. So remove from the oven, let it cool down for about 15 minutes.
Ayan! Pork belly! Woo-hoo! And... oh, so crunchy!
Slice it and you may serve it with lechon sauce or as simple as vinegar and soy sauce. And you can have the chili if you want.